Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be discussing how to connect Ninjatrader to Tradingview. So I don't want to basically waste your time, and I'll be completely honest with you. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube, 8 minutes long, 9 minutes long, 10 minutes. They're basically going around in circles, not telling you the truth. So the truth of the matter is you cannot actually connect your Ninjatrader account to Tradingview. Okay, this feature is currently not available on NinjaTrader, but there are some brokers that can be connected to that service. For example, we have Binance, Paper Trading, TradeStation, interactive brokers. You can, of course, connect these ones, Bidget, and I have made videos of these in my channel, so you can go ahead and check those out. But no, you cannot connect a NinjaTrader account to TradingView. So I hope you appreciate the honesty, guys. And if you do, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to find a solution. I'll see you in the next video.